Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024 in Cleveland, Ohio. We're still in the mega booth, and yes, there's a massive party going on here right now, but I'm with Chris from Theia Scientific, and you have this really fascinating new particle counting software. So you can tell us a little bit about it, and then what sort of new things are happening with it.
Sure, we provide a system to make your dumb microscope smart, and we do that by adding a GPU to it, and so that you can connect that to any microscope or anything that is taking an image. And then that automates and allows you to run machine learning models for microscopy images, so you get your quantitation and your counting.
So that was what I know you debuted this last year at M&M,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Yeah, you and your brother had put this together.
Yep.
And that was amazing, and that sounded fantastic, and you're really running now.
Yes.
And so what sort of exciting things have you had happen with it this last year?
Yeah, within the last year, we've added a lot more support for a variety of different models. We also have these clustering abilities, so we can run multiple models simultaneously, and smaller devices will talk to each other, and they can have as almost a near unlimited number of GPUs. So as a prime example, we were at Idaho National Laboratory back in January, and we ran 11 models simultaneously on their Titan TEM.
Wow. Wow. So you can get a lot of data out of, so I mean, because people can produce data, but it's crunching the data, it's analyzing the data,
Yes.
That's the difficult part.
Yes.
And that's what you guys are really tackling.
Yes, absolutely. So one of the things that we found is that maybe you annotate 5 of the images you have because you run out of coffee, or you get tired, or you just get tired of drawing boxes around black dots. And so you may have the hours of video and hours of images to run through. Ours won't analyze all of them, and it will do that in an unbiased manner, and it'll do it in up to 120 frames per second.
Oh, so tell me about the one thing.
Yeah, so the one thing that we did that we were really excited about when Kevin and I did start the program and start the company, we wanted to publish a paper in a week. And so we finally have been able to do that.
Okay.
In that we were able to publish a progress report. We started the experiment on Monday, and on Friday we gave that experiment and included it in the progress report on that Friday. So we were very excited by that.
Wow, that is pretty impressive. So if people are interested in learning more about your system, because it's huge and complex and there's lots of things that you can talk about, where do they find you online?
They can find us at theiascientific.com or on our LinkedIn page.
Okay, cool. Thanks a lot, Chris.
Thank you.
Okay, we got more. M&M 2024, Cleveland. We're still here. At least it's not Detroit.
Yeah.
Okay.